Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are gonna be playing some more Welcome to Bloxburg. Last time we left off on, I actually don't remember, so I think it was when we glided off the mountain or something like that. I don't remember, so but let's get to it. So guys, like always, make sure to leave a like, which would be greatly appreciated. Make sure to subscribe to keep, and if you want to keep, if you want to keep doing like other series or stuff like that. But I think what we left. But someone wants to get in my house. Hello. What? What does this girl want? Oh, okay. Okay. What is this? I hear music. Oh, it's them. You guys might not hear that because my computer audio is kind of weird, but so my guy is hungry, so let's eat some tacos. I was playing this earlier on my tablet, and it didn't really go well. If I was recording it, I would have put it in the video, but I wasn't recording. So we need to do some fun things to do. Let's do the computer. Let's watch Roblox. Narwhals. Oh wait. Big fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Big fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Big fluffy unicorns. Okay, so my guy's not tired, so let's sleep. Look how fast that goes up. That goes up. Wait, look at that. That goes up like 5 bars. That's crazy. So last video, I think we left off when we donated that the game money to that one guy, and then we kicked him out and left. That is right. That's what we did. But today we are going to be doing my job because we need to do my job really bad. But because I'm kind of getting low on money, so. But we just need to get ready and go. There we go. Oh, by the way, I'm not just like going through the doors, guys. It says press E, and I just do it like very quickly, so it looks like I'm just like going through the doors, going through the doors, but I'm actually not. My car is glitched. My car is absolutely glitched. E respawn. Oh my god. Why is my car glitched? Exactly. Please don't have to take the useless bike. There we go. Okay. Go back. Go back. Close. Okay, let's go. Wrong way. So, we're gonna go to my job. We left off at a party where we, like I wanted to be our dad. And it was kind of weird, but Santa's here. I don't know, Santa was in Welcome to Bloxburg. I mean, of course he is, but let's go around here and let's turn and park right about here. So, hope how you guys' day have been going so far. Hope you guys have been doing good. Hope you guys have been having an amazing Saturday. But so far, mine has been great. I hope yours has been great too. If it isn't, I hope this video lights your day up and makes you laugh. But this is only my third video, so no. It's only my third video, so it might not look good, like I always say, because a lot of the first videos aren't that good. Yeah. Special shout out goes on to Darren DH. I think I said that right. He did some support for me, and since he gave the video a like, my last video that I did last night. Thank you, Darren HD. Sorry if I got that wrong, but thank you, dude. I liked a couple of your videos, and I will checking out your channel a lot. And I turned out your post notifications. But anyway, back to the job thing. Yeah, really, today's gonna be doing the boring stuff, especially a job. Ooh, just getting along. So also, I think after we get some money, I think we should upgrade my house a little, because it's kind of not that good. Well, I mean, it's like good to me, but like, I think it can do a couple upgrades, or we can I don't even know what I'm saying. We can make a house like this, maybe. That guy's probably rich. Yeah, so we're probably gonna buy maybe some land and make like a city, I guess. Oh my. Is that? Oh my. He must be poor. No. My computer's really glitching, guys. But let's try to make a house like that. Because my house is basically just like a square. And if we find it, it's over there. It's that one. It's just bad. Or no, it's this one. It's just bad. I mean, it's just like, it's not even a roof. Like, we have to get all this. That girl's nice. We have to give all the stuff we need to get in our house and then put a roof and we'd be done. Because if we have to go into build mode and then like have to take off the roof, it won't give us that much money as we spent on for the roof. So we have to get like everything. So I think today we're just gonna add some stuff to the, you know. I can't talk today. I'm so like Why do I keep saying But saying Anyway, what I was saying. So basically, yeah, we're just gonna upgrade my house today because it's kind of bad. We want to make it really cool, you know, like a lot of people do. Oh my gosh, Okay, I'm saying use another delivery moped because that one was glitched like cray. So let's see how much money we get if we end our shift. 1,183. Wait, what is that? What? I hate these other side of the map ones. They're so boring because the mopeds are flipping slow. Like, the bike is faster, don't you think, in real life? Like last video I said, basically this is real life. It's not. Mopeds would be way faster than a bike. Like, way faster. But I think we would have enough now. That's a lot. We only did one. We got like $400. Oh. Nice name. White child. I'm gonna Oh. Yay. But anyway, this should be my car. My car's over here. And the shift. There we go. Oh. Okay. Let's go. This is the wrong way. Welcome to Bloxburg. I don't know where my house is. Just like in real life. Well, I'm not even old enough to drive. But look like the colic. Shouldn't it be like the mopeds? Like this video if you want the mopeds to be faster. Because I certainly do. Oh my. They have some jam music going on. No! No! Oh, my car is being so glitchy. And close. Alright, so we got $10,000. Let's enter build mode real quick. I like the music. Anyway, so what we're gonna do... Oh, man. I'm thinking. Roof. So, could we fit this? No. I'm good with that. Generative. I mean, how much... I like that. Wait, no, don't buy it. Okay, so what do we need in this house to make it better? Let's try some rugs, I guess, or some like carpet. So carpets. These are the only things they have. Bathroom mat. Let's do that. Let's rotate that and put that there. And another one there. Because you don't have to jerk on the wet floor, you know, when you need to get out of the shower. Just like in real life, but I guess we'll get this. We'll get this for, I guess, right here. I wish. I love this music they're jamming. You guys can probably hear it, but it's my favorite song. If you guys can, tell me in the comment section. I think that's all though. So, let's get to build. Let's go to roofs. Now we're gonna add my roof. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, let's go build. Why did I do that? Ugh. This is so frustrating. Do I like that? Actually, I do kind of like that. Okay, this is a lot of money getting spent. Holy monies. Okay, so we're kind of low on monies now. But, now if we go to decorate, and decorate it. So let's go like... Let's go... Oh, wait, here. So, if we do this, I think we do... Then we, like, yeah, we go to the whatever we want. Sorry if it kind of got loud there. It might have not have. But let's actually add this. Boom. This. Alright. Move this. There. Boom. Can we not see it in build mode? That's kind of dumb. Okay, this is kind of weird. Let me exit out build mode, see if it's there. But I actually kind of like that. Oh, it's here. Turn on these. So, that actually was pretty cool. So guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications to figure out when I upload. And, you know, just hit the like button. That would be greatly appreciated. Also subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye!